How to calibrate your spool gun on the Bobcat 265 or Trailblazer 330 engine-driven welders. After connecting your spool gun to the positive weld stud and 10-pin direct connect, hit the Process Selection button and select the spool gun process. Once you have connected your spool gun and are in the spool gun process, press the Weld Settings button. This will bring up a window that displays 3 different options for the spool gun process. Use the control knob to scroll through the 3 different tabs. Before going into the Calibration tab, we will want to enter the Spool Gun tab to select the spool gun we have hooked up to the machine. The machine allows you to select from either the Spoolmate 200 or Spoolmatic spool guns. After selecting which spool gun is in operation, we are ready to calibrate the gun. Using the main control knob, scroll to the Calibration tab and press the knob in. The user interface will display a new window that has an adjustment for 200 inches per minute offset and a 500 inches per minute offset. Both windows should be calibrated to ensure proper operation of the spool gun. Prior to starting the calibration process, it's important to snip your wire off at the nozzle. To start the calibration process, select which offset you want to start with, then press the trigger on your spool gun. The spool gun will feed approximately 24 inches of wire out. After the gun is done feeding, measure the length of wire back to the nozzle of the gun. If the wire does not measure out to be 24 inches, adjust the offset either up or down until achieving a 24-inch measurement. Complete this process for both the 200 inches per minute offset and 500 inches per minute offset, as these offsets could be different.